Welcome to Sophia Ino's kitchen. This is rainbow gimbap. I create this name. The color is so beautiful, right? Let's make rainbow gimbap on a picnic day. First, make rice. The important thing to make delicious gimbap is the amount of water. So put less water than usual to make rice not mash it easily. Third, pickle red cabbage. Cut red cabbage thinly. Put 1 teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of vinegar. And mix them and stay for 20 minutes. Actually, red cabbage is for purple color. Fourth, cut carrot thinly and heat them in a pan. Cut carrot thinly and put a little carrot in a heated pan and put a little salt and stir carrots until they become shiny. Actually, carrot is for orange color. Fifth, cut cucumber thinly. Remove the inside of cucumber first and slice them thinly and sprinkle salt on them and cover them with the kitchen paper. Actually, cucumber is for green color. In traditional gimbap, spinach is commonly used, but in my recipe, I don't use spinach because it can go bad easily in hot weather outside, and crunchy texture of cucumber is better to me. 6. Cut red bell pepper thinly. Remove the seeds and the inside parts. Red bell pepper is for red color. Actually, I wanted to use yellow bell pepper too for yellow color, but I decided not to use them because I will use eggs and yellow radish for the yellow color. There are too many yellow. And cover them with kitchen towel. 7th, cut artificial crab stick. Peel the cover of the artificial crab stick and cut them in half. 8th, cut ham thinly. I bought the ham for gimbap, but if you cannot find it at your grocery store, you can just use the big sized ham and chop them into a thin and small strips. 9th, cut yellow radish thinly. Actually, I bought the already cut yellow radish, so I just removed the water with the kitchen towel. 10th, make egg omelette. Crack 5 to 6 eggs and put half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar and stir them until they are mingled well. And prepare the heat pan and pour little vegetable oil and coat the pan evenly by using a kitchen paper towel and make egg with very low heat. 11th, heat ham in a pan a little bit. 13th, cut eggs thinly. 14th, squeeze pickled red cabbage. The important thing to make delicious gimbap is to remove the water from the ingredients. 16th, season rice. Put rice in a big bowl and put 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and you can add more salt depending on your taste. And mix them together. Stir the rice with a rice scoop as if you can cut the rice with a knife. In this way, you can prevent rice from being mashed, and cover the rice with the lid to make it stay warm. Now it's time for rolling gimbap. Now all ingredients are ready. You see the beautiful color of ingredients. So let's make rainbow gimbap first. First, prepare bamboo roller. If you don't have it, you can just use your hand and put a slice of gim on it with a smooth part laid toward bottom. Second, make rice bowl with your hand and spread rice evenly and thinly up to 2/3 1/3 part of the seaweed. Third, put rainbow-colored vegetables in a row. First, red bell pepper, and carrot, and yellow radish, and egg omelette, and cucumber. But we don't have blue and navy in our ingredients, so we can put ham and artificial crab stick instead of them. And don't add too much ingredients on the rice, or it will be hard to roll the seaweed. Fourth, roll the seaweed. Grab the end point of gim with 2 thumbs and hold the other ingredients with your fingers and continue to roll seaweed till the end. And use the bamboo rule to squeeze gimbap to hold together. And fifth, coat the outer surface of gimbap with sesame oil to look shiny. 6. Cut the gimbap into bite size. Coat the knife with water or sesame oil to prevent the rice from sticking to the knife while cutting. Wow, look at this! It's so beautiful rainbow color, isn't it? And now put them in a plate. 짜라! Enjoy your rainbow gimbap! See you next time. 안녕!